Hey guys, and today we're going to be doing like a veggie straw review. These are like screaming hot. These are like popcorn, and they're going to be going up against these. Anyways, Flamin hot, small, looks like the regular popcorn. Anyways, so quick story time. Anyways, anyways, I don't want to say this person's name, so I'm just gonna call them Cucumber. So Cucumber said, "Hey, I think you should do a video on these." And you're like, "Oh yeah, sure." And my mom you couldn't find them behind the camera roll. Couldn't find them. Anyways, well, we found them. We saw this person, and we were like, "Hey, you can do it against them each other. We can battle them against each other." So let's get into it. The first one, Veggie, screaming hot. They smell like how.
Ooh, look at that. I like the crunch on those.
Oh, pretty spicy.
Pretty spicy? 1 out of 10, what would you give the spice level?
Probably 7.
Oh, wow, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
How's the flavor on them?
The flavor?
Mm-hmm.
I like the flavor. I like the seasoning. It just kind of has like aftertaste. I'm like a guy that wants to taste like white, then a bit like boom.
Makes sense. All right, now.
We're gonna try the Flamin white cheddar.
That looks pretty good too.
I think this one's gonna be harder because look at the way it looks.
It does look pretty hot.
So what it looks like.
Oh yeah, that looks kind of like a Flamin' Hot Cheeto.
This one tastes like the pilot booty, but if you just like made it like hot, like you put like hot Cheetos. But this one, it tastes like the hot Cheetos. Just like hot
More
Cheetos.
like hot Cheetos. Oh wow.
Add spiciness. I'll give it out of 10. Spiciness. It's not really that spicy.
No?
So I'm gonna give this one a 6 out of 10 from spicy. But flavor's good. Flavor's awesome. I'm gonna give flavor 8 out of 10.
Oh wow, that's really good. So which one do you prefer? The popcorn or the veggie puffs?
Well,
Hard to say?
It's hard.
Eat some more, you gotta try them out.
if I would like to be like not spicy, I would choose this one. But if I like spicy, I would choose this one.
Okay.
So,
Overall, what would you rate the puffs? Overall.
overall, probably 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Wow, that's really good review. Okay, what about the popcorn?
Alright, got a snack. Anyway, so popcorn, probably like a 7.5.
Okay, it's pretty up there.
So
All right.
what we are going to be doing is, Mom, here's your blindfold. You're going to have to guess which one's which.
Dun dun dun.
Come on.
Keep recording or
Yeah, keep recording. Right.
wait? How are we gonna do this? Just let it go.
Yeah. Wait, I just gotta mix these away, Mom. Wait. Oh, the popcorn went back there. What? Put your hand out. No, you hand out. Is that out? That's up, Mom.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
Okay.
Wait.
Let's just praise them a
Eat
little
that one.
bit.
Eat that one. Wait, eat that one.
Oh, it's definitely popcorn. A little spice. I kind of need another one to really get the flavor.
Okay.
Got like a little spice, kind of hit you in the back of the throat a little bit. right?
Yeah.
Okay. I could enjoy that.
Alright, now you're gonna try the other thing, other snack. Put your hand out.
That's a little more satisfying to me. Yeah. I like that one.
Alright.
That's the puff. It is a lot like a pirate booty. I see what you mean.
Alright, are you sure? Is that your final answers?
That's my final answers.
Well, you can take off your blindfold, and you got it right.
Ding, 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 ding. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh yeah.
Anyways, so it's gonna be record me. What?
Or do you mean I didn't have to hold down the button the whole time? I hope I was recording because I was holding the button the entire time.
So, anyways, stay tuned on Spicy Saturday. Bye, guys.
Adios.
The end. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. And yeah, this was Spicy Saturday because, you know, my schedule. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed everything. Bye, guys. And stay maniacs.